to Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Sami Makakua, the members of the Bangsamoro government, BARMM local chief executives, fellow workers in government, and our peace partners, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Assalamualaikum. First, I extend my congratulations to Chief Minister Makakua for hosting this important local government peace and development summit. The entire government shares the vision of lasting peace and sustainable development across the Bangsamoro region. The local government units play a critical role in that peace building. They are the cornerstone in the implementation of the comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro. Our LGUs are crucial in ensuring a just and lasting peace for Filipinos. Our approach in achieving peace is twofold. First, we are working to enable and strengthen the governing structures of the BARMM through its organic law. Our collaboration has so far paid dividends in institution building, and I repeat the call to all stakeholders to take part in the building of robust local governments in the Bangsamoro. Second is normalization and its direct impact on the lives of former combatants, our communities, and security on the ground. Normalization ensures human security. It is a testament to the partnership between the government and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front in ensuring that the gains of peace benefit all Filipinos. We recognize the crucial role of implementing panels and the inter-cabinet cluster mechanism on normalization in this endeavor. We are cognizant that effective normalization requires our full support and genuine monitoring mechanisms agreed upon by both parties. To this end, we will continue to ensure a responsive and agile approach in aiding our people, anchored in full transparency and accountability. And this brings us to the very heart of this summit, this government-led, LGU-inclusive approach. This not only highlights the pivotal role of LGUs in peace building, but also fosters their ownership of normalization and its transformation projects. It also allows our programs to be more responsive to the situation on the ground. That said, we are giving LGUs a greater role in the implementation of projects, not only in the BARMM, but all across the country. To date, 5 provinces have already adopted and launched localized normalization implementation. This strengthens our belief that peace must be built from the ground up, with local leaders as active architects. Ladies and gentlemen, today's summit is an opportunity to address issues, refine our strategies, forge stronger partnerships, and to further deepen the commitment of all stakeholders to peace. I urge everyone to secure that peace in the Bangsamoro and to continue to tread the path that has brought us this era of peace and calm. We in the national government will continue to work with you in lockstep, fueled with a belief in our shared vision of a peaceful and prosperous Bangsamoro. We have come such a long way in this peace process. We are very, very close to success. Let us not falter now. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon po.